today during the annual Syttende Mai festivities, including a parade this afternoon. One of the floats, though, is a first of its kind, with the son honoring his mother in a pretty unique way. Our Madeline O'Neill explains.
It's fun to shake up a little town like this sometimes.
Preparing this float for his hometown's Syttende Mai parade.
This is the dumbest idea I've ever had.
Nick Brewer knows he has some lofty goals.
Once we turn on Main, go up high with it.
That includes a black Norwegian-style ship.
Oh, is that nice?
With a throne fit for a mom.
It's surreal.
A special kind of mom.
I can't believe it's really happening.
A metal mom.
My son Nick has a weird imagination.
It wasn't real until she actually was up there in her metal shirt. And
Nick's mom, Jean, is still a bit unsure how she ended up in this seat.
I was hoping it would go away, that Nick would forget it, but oh no.
So
it all started years ago when Nick started buying her heavy metal shirts.
I think it says, let's see.
And Metal Mom was born.
Nuclear assault? Usually I don't know. I had to pose in all these heavy metal shirts doing mom things.
The more gruesome, the more outrageous, the funnier it was to me to have my sweet mother wear them.
Metal Mom's actual musical taste.
Like Nick says, my favorite music is John Denver and the Muppets. Christmas CD.
But part of Nick's parade plan is to play heavy metal music.
The song's called Mother.
It's a real toe tapper.
Including a song a local band made just in Metal Mom's honor. Just one more finishing touch before parade time.
Oh my goodness, it's here.
Something to help the float rise above the rest.
I'm elated that it's finally all together.
Hi crowd. Good rock, Metal Mom. Thank you.
This is the first time Stoughton's parade has seen a helium balloon and Metal Mom in action. But the unlikely float somehow seems to fit right in. And Metal Mom will continue to rock on. Madeline O'Neill for WISC News 3.
What a great tribute to Mom, right? That float took hundreds of hours of work, and in case you missed it today, Nick is planning to bring Metal Mom back for next year's parade. She also has her own Instagram account. You can look her up at My Metal Mom. Well, still ahead on News 3.